Hello, I'm Scott Kidd, and we're now going to revisit the types of data that we've explored so far. So let's revisit what we've covered over the two previous videos. We discussed over the videos that there's four different types of data. There's two categorical types of nominal and ordinal, and there's two numerical types of interval and ratio. So let's start by revisiting nominal data. This type categorizes items without implying any order or rank. Examples of nominal data are gender, hair colour, and regions like north, south, east, and west. It's about labelling items without any quantitative or numerical value. We also have ordinal data. This data type orders items but does not measure the exact difference between them. So examples of this include ranking levels of happiness: very happy, happy, unhappy, very unhappy. And looking at, for example, satisfaction: very satisfied, satisfied, neutral, not satisfied, very unsatisfied. The order matters, but the differences between ranks are not precisely measured in a numerical value. So let's move over to the numerical data types. Let's look at interval data. Interval data is measured along a scale with equal intervals between points, but what it does lack is a true 0 point. So examples of interval data are temperature in Celsius or Fahrenheit and things like IQ scores. The differences between values are meaningful, but 0 does not represent an absence of the quantity. So now let's look at ratio data and what's unique about that. Ratio data has all the properties of interval data, but it also includes a meaningful 0 point. So examples of this include height, weight, age, distance, number of children, years of education and income. This allows for meaningful comparisons using ratios, such as one value being twice as big as another value. As we can see, these data types are illustrated in the two different forms of categorical and numerical values, and that helps us identify the unique features of each type of data. So understanding these types of data is essential for accurate data analysis and interpretation. Each type has a specific characteristic that defines how we can analyse and use the data effectively. Recognising these distinctions helps us choose the right method for data analysis and ensures we draw the accurate conclusions from our data. So it's very important to understand the data and the unique properties of that data so that we can analyse what we're looking at from the data effectively and in the right way.